Hmm. Sige, we will not move lang talaga ate para hindi siya oops, slide down. Yan, ganyan na lang.
16 divisible by p. 16 is not divisible by p. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Yan. So you already
3
find
is
it
not
out?
divisible by 16.
Are you sure? 3 is not divisible by 16? 4 plus 5 pala. How much ang 4 plus 5?
9.
Oh, plus 5.
Wait. 9,
9 plus 5.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Oh, plus 4. 14 plus 4.
15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh, 18. Okay ha? So ibig sabihin ate, since that is 18, automatically ate,
It's divisible by 3.
okay, that is divisible by 3. So both 2 ate and 3 are satisfied. Automatically, 4,554 is divisible by 4. I mean 6. Okay? Now ate,
I didn't.
hmm?
I didn't. No, I made a mistake.
Okay, sige. So for this one ate, we are going to do this one ha. How can we know if the number is divisible by 7? So for this one ate, I will not teach you any other tricks ate sa 7. But instead, you are going to do it ate on the, ano ate? How do you say this one?
The numbers?
No, you are going to do it ate manually. So for example, if I will give you 452 ate, tapos if I ask you, is this divisible by 7? Automatically, you are going to do this one na lang ha. Okay, 45 divided by 7, how much?
If the answer is 14, if the answer is 7, 14,
No ate,
21.
no, it's not, it doesn't work that way. Bale, we are going to do it talaga manually na lang. 45 divided by 7.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48,
9.
49, 5, 45 was skipped.
Oh, so what's the answer? 6.
6.
So 6 in here. 6 times 7. How much on 6 times 7?
42.
42. So put in here 42. So this one, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 3. Next, bring down 2. 32 divided by 7.
And I know that 32 is not divisible by 7 because I'll skip the answer. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So it's 4.
So it's 4 ate. 4 times 7.
7, 14, 21, 28.
Oh, 28. 32 minus 28. Oh, di ba? Do you have remainder na 4? So ibig sabihin, 452 is not divisible by 7. That's how you do it na lang ha.
Across this. 2 becomes 12 and
Oh, this one, oh. 2 becomes 12. 3 magiging 2. 12 minus 8. Oh, di ba 4?
Oh.
Oh, it's lang. Oh, di ba? Oh, it's 4. Sige ate, I want you to try ate, dito ka na. Ito lang yung
But there's
gamitin
a
mo.
remainder. Is it divisible by 6 or still not divisible?
No, if there is a remainder ate, it's not divisible talaga ha. Okay, this one ate, if it is 2 and 8 gani ate, if teacher let you try ate to test if it is divisible by 7 and 8, you do it manually na lang ha. There's no technique ate ha. Okay? Kasi if you are going to learn this technique ate, it will be a burden to you because you already have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. So for the 7 and 8 ate, there's no technique ha. Sige, try to do this one to ate.
It's gonna be almost back to school because it's already June 1.
Yes po ate. 513, is it divisible by 7? Hindi. Try to check if it is divisible by 7. Oh, no, di ba? There's no technique. You do it from the
15,
Oh.
51.
You do it from the lahat talaga. Go. Sige.
It's super cold. I almost got a small brain freeze.
Small brain freeze.
Is that what small brain freeze feel like?
Yes, ate, go.
51, 7, 14, 21. I feel like 51 will not.
Sige lang,
This
try.
is mentioned in 7.
Mm.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Oh, so it wasn't mentioned.
56.
So, ilan yung final answer?
I'll count again.
Mm.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56.
What's the final answer?
7.
Very good. 7 times 7, how much?
14.
40?
Wait, no. 7, 14, 21, 28, 50,
35.
35, 42, 50, 42, 49,
Very good.
49. Oh, it's 49.
It's 49. Sige. Put. Minus. Okay.
Wait, why does this happen?
Oh, bakit nagiging 10 lagi? It's not 10.
Oh, it's 11.
Oh, it's 11. Oh.
But can I ask you a question?
Mm.
Joanne? When there's a small number, I borrow 5 borrows, and if it becomes 4, it's the same number. So there's also 4.
Not all of the time ate, it's the same number ha. It's just ano lang. It's not coincidence also, but it is the process talaga that it should be the same. Okay ha? Because especially 51 and 49 are close to each other. Okay? 11 minus 9, how much? 2. Okay? Oh, next. Bring
That's
down.
gonna be the
Wala pa, isa. Okay, 23 divided by 7, how much?
7. 23 is not gonna be mentioned in 7 because I know 7, 14, 21, 28.
Very good. So it's not mentioned, so it's 3. Oh, 3 times 7.
21.
So put 21. Oh, 23 minus 21.
I wish I could go back to school again.
So there's a remainder. Automatically, it's not. Next, ate. How about this one? What if we are going to try, ate, 772? Is this divisible by 8? Sige daw. Try to check.
That was my grandma talking about like I was gonna tell you few days I was asking you if we're gonna proceed to makabansa.
You want to proceed with makabansa ate?
Because it was hard.
Pwede tayo magmakabansa ate. Actually, dapat you are going to practice your Tagalog if you are talking with me. 8 ate. I am talking about 8. Try to. 8. There is no technique sa 8 and 7 ha. Ate, there is no 8 and 7 ha.
8 and
I mean, there is no technique ba sa 7 and 8. We are not going to learn the technique. There is a technique pero we are not going to learn it because it's very, ate, it's not pretty bad. Pero it's annoying lang ate because there's a lot of rules you need to memorize.
I know how to speak Tagalog.
Sure? Marunong ka na? Lahat?
Alam ko pero
Pero ano?
there are super few words
merong mga
that I
mahirap
know
na?
in Tagalog.
Sige na, start na.
But I know all of maraming words sa Tagalog. Okay,
Sige daw.
answer.
7 divided by 8. Cannot be.
Cannot be.
Next. 7 will now join.
77 divided by okay. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 54,
6.
56, 64, 72, 80. I just keep count the whole number and forgot about 77.
Go.
I'll count it.
Start again.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Oh. So it will be 9.
Very good. Sulat 9. 9 times 8.
8, 70.
Minus. You practice ate ha, even at just looking, dapat alam mo na yung answer ha. You practice mental math.
Like minus?
Like minus. Using your, using your mind, dapat you can do it. 7 minus 2.
Minus 2 plus 5.
Dapat even though without fingers, you can still do it. Ha? Okay. Sige, next. Sige.
I just felt something super small stuck in my throat. 52. 8, 6, but it's already gone. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56.
Para.
8, 16, 24, 30, 32, 40, 48, 50, 48, yeah, 48.
48. You practice also your multiplication using mind lang ha.
Without fingers?
You can do it man.
I'll try it without using my fingers. If I will do 7 times 5.
7 times 5.
Will I also practice without saying this 7, 14, like
Ikaw
that.
bahala.
7. Okay, I'll just put my fingers here to see, to prove, to show you that I'm not,
Go.
7, 14, 7, 14, 21, 20, 28, 35.
35. Okay, sige ate. 52 minus 48, how much?
52 minus 40. Is it raining outside?
Yeah.
I'll check outside. I
No,
haven't
no,
seen the
12 minus 8.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So
is it divisible? Later. Is it divisible by 4? Hindi. Ay, by 8? Hindi.
Also some of my classmates use their fingers.
Is it divisible by 8? Hindi.
Yes.
Sure? There is a remainder 4 man.
Oh no.
No. Okay ha? So since that is no.
If there are 3 8s or 2 8s like this, one like 4 and 4, that becomes 8, and then if we add another 8, 4, 8.
Sige na. Okay, review muna natin ang last time na learnings natin ha.
8,
Okay.
9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is divisible by 8 if there are 4s.
Sige, what's the answer for this one ate? Review. Faster.
What time is it? I watch this at my grandma's.
Later na, maalala na natin na time. Sige, 1/3 plus 2/3.
1.
What's the final answer?
3/3.
Di ba, if 3 is 3, automatically equals to 1. If the number on top and the number at the bottom is the same, it's 1 ha? Ate, ha? Huwag kalimutan. Next.
I'll check outside.
Oh, wala na, i-check ate para ma-utilize natin ang time. Later na. We can finish man early. 1/4 plus 2/3.
4, 12.
Next.
I still remember it. 4 times 2. Alam ko yung Tagalog pero in Makabansa I understand the Makabansa but there are things I don't know what they're talking about, like who is the president, like those.
Sino ang presidente? Sige na, plus na.
8, but I know the president but there are some things that I don't know in Makabansa, not the languages, so 8, 9, 10, 11.
Is it, that is the final answer, hindi?
Yes.
We can simplify that one?
No.
No na, very good. Next.
Okay, I'll check that.
No, wag ate.
Oh, there's a clock there. What's that?
It's not working. Sige lang, later lang. I have an alarm man.
Alarm? What does the alarm sound like? 2 plus 1.
Huh?
2 times 1.
Tama pala. 2 plus 1. Next. Correct. Okay. Bakit? Times. Plus ha?
Because
Plus.
when I 5 times 7.
Go.
5 times 7. 7, 4. Oh, 35. I remember it because when I say 7 times 5, it's 35. Same like I'm saying 5, 5 again. 5 and 5.
Next.
Times 2. 21.
Very good. You do it with mind lang.
Yeah.
Next.
But I know some numbers that I don't need to use my mind. Like 6 times 7, 42. Like,
Go.
and 8 times 8, 64.
21 plus.
6 times 6, 36.
Later na. 5 times 1.
5.
Is equals?
And also try not to use my fingers. 21, 22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Very good. 26 all over 35. Can we reduce that one? Hindi.
26, 35. No.
No. Okay? So what's the final answer? Very good. Okay, you remembered it well pa? Correct, ate? Next. Okay, what's the answer?
9. Also, sometimes I know in plus or minus, I don't need to think sometimes.
Go. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yes.
Right?
3. It's getting cold.
Go. Okay, very good. Next. Sige daw, ate. Next. Minus.
But do you know that I didn't forget the minus when I was division?
Mm.
Like 72 divided by 4 or 10, like 9, 8. Seven times 3. 21.
Okay. You always forget, ate ba?
It looks like I'm writing
Sige na, faster.
minus that is standing up.
Okay, equals?
Ay.
21 minus 10. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
No.
Okay, what's the final answer? Okay, very good.
But I never forget the final answer, like a mixed number.
Next, multiplication.
If the alarm, if we hear the alarm, that means it's already time.
Next. Sige, sige, go.
It's really cool. 7 times 7. Copy.
It's not addition ba? It's not subtraction. It's multiplication.
But I just do it straight ahead. 7 times 7. 7. I'll use my fingers
Go.
because 7 is a big number, a little bit. Big number
Go,
to
go.
skip count. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48, 49.
9. Okay. Okay. Is that, can we reduce it? Hindi.
No.
Very good. Next.
My mama told me I'm going to Bukidnon with them. Dun sa Bukidnon.
Kailan?
Ngayon.
Ngayong araw?
Are you gonna be there tomorrow?
No, 1 Wednesday pa.
Okay.
Sige.
My hands are facing.
So you can turn it off, ate. The-
Okay, do we have the electric fan? Just the electric fan should not hit me lang. Okay. Oh, I think I feel better without electric fan.
Yeah, okay lang din.
Because it's still
Hold man.
cold.
Sige, go. What are you going to do?
3 times 3.
Very good.
And add 2.
Very good.
Plus 2.
Mm.
I still remember.
All over? Next.
Okay, let's speak. 5 times 5. Are the big numbers always on top?
Meron pa
the
mang two.
Ay,
What is that one?
okay. 20.
All over?
5.
Next.
3 times 5. 5, 10.
Next.
11 times 27. 7 times 1. Times 2.
Minus?
Plus.
Next.
297.
Next.
Wait, where do we write the trial and error space? Because I think
That one. Sige, sulat. Trial and error. For what pa?
20.
9 divided by 15.
Okay, that's 29 divided by 15.
Ilan? Trial and error daw.
Okay, I'll try 4.
Sige, 4 times 5.
4. If it's bigger, I'll find a number that is lesser than 29, but
Very good,
nearer
but
to
near.
29.
Correct.
But if the number is already bigger than 29, I have to lower down. But if it's lesser than 29, I have to go up.
4 times 5.
5, 10, 20.
Next.
4 times 1 is 4 and add 2.
So what do you think?
It's bigger, so I'll try 2.
Try to. Wag dyan, dito. Yan.
Here.
Yan, dyan. Very good.
It feels so comfortable without the aircon.
Bakit minus?
Ay.
It's times.
It looks like plus, but it's times. 5, times.
What do you think of that one, ate?
I can hear a sound in the ice.
No, wala yun siya. Oh, this one.
You also hear that?
Yes, ate. Oh, 30. What do you think of 30?
30. Let's see. So maybe I'll try na lang 1.
1. So 1, ate. Oh, put na 1.
Okay.
No, oh.
But I never forget here because it's my nose. I'll use my fingers. 4.
4. 2 minus 1. 1.
Ay, do I have to? Oh yeah. 1,000
Ano 1,000? 147.
147.
Divided by
5,
15.
15.
Oh, trial and error. Meron ka ng 60. Next. You have to go up.
To 8.
Try.
Or 9.
Faster, ate. Go. Sulat.
Alright, 9 na lang.
Oh, 9 na lang. Anong minus?
Times. Do I have to put 1 on top?
No na. That's the answer now, 135. What do you think of this one, ate? Is this our answer 9 or not?
Yes.
Yes, ha, because we cannot try 10 na, ha? Di ba our highest number na we can try is 9? Oh, put 9 faster. 9.
If we use 8, it's gonna be lower.
Minus. Oh. So,
Alright.
mix na kayo. There is no number naman in here, right? Tama?
Yeah. Apa.
Bakit dyan ang 9? Yan. Dyan ang 1.
Ay,
Di ba 19?
I didn't notice the 1.
Ate, bakit 1 lang yan? Siya, di ba 15? Dyan ang 1. Yan. Oh, 12 and 15. Can you simplify that one? Hindi.
No.
Sure?
By 4.
It's not.
By 2.
Skip count ka by 3.
3, 6, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Put in mind. Oh, ano i-divide mo? Divide na. Sige.
12
Divide by 3. How much? Skip count.
12, 3, 16,
Ano 316?
3, 6, 9, 12, 6.
Tama na.
Ay, 12,
Oh, 4. Next.
5.
Very good. Oh, final answer. What's your
12,
final answer?
And
Final answer.
19.
Oh, so 19 or 5. Very good. Next.
It kind of look like this.
Next. Division.
What time is it already? I'll check outside.
No, no. It's 4:20. We have our last na lang.
4:20. What's our time?
4:30. Okay.
4:20.
Oh, that is why you should be fast, ate, ha?
Is it 4:20?
Sige na. That one, faster.
Your ice is melting.
Sige lang.
5 times 3.
Very good. Over. Next. Ano dyan? Bakit dyan ka? Division. Right, divide ka agad. Next.
5 times.
All over?
5.
Next. Equals? Very good.
Times 13.
Very good. Okay. Okay, next. Bakit 3? Ate, be mindful sa ginasulat, ate. Faster. 17 times 5.
5. 7. 45.
Next. Diba that's 85? O put 85.
Are we gonna, am I gonna do the trial and error?
Go.
Lesser but nearest to
85, very good.
I'll try 7.
Go,
Ay,
faster.
no, because 7 is a
Very big,
number.
very good. Dapat lower lang. 4, try. Ano minus? Lagi. Times. Oh, sige.
9 times 4. 36. 4. 4, 8, 12. 12, 13, 14, 15. That's a big number.
Next.
So I'll go to 2. Number 2.
Go, go. Two times 9. Matagal lagi.
9, 18.
18.
2 times 3. Do I have to be fast?
No, ate.
6,
Plus 1.
7. 70. Okay.
Very
Wait,
good.
for C3.
Oh, try 3. Faster. Bakit divide? Okay, times ate. Mm.
117. The answer is 78.
Mm.
I forgot to write the number on top.
Go, try. Anong 3? It's not 3. 2. Next. Minus na agad, minus na.
Ano?
Minus. Very good.
It's still same number.
15 minus 8.
15 minus 8. 1, 8. 15. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 15 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wait. I just forgot how to do it again. 1, 2, 15 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So there's a remainder. So ano gagawin mo? Right na. Ate, matagal na tayo nag-practice. Hindi mo pa makuha ang rating sa ano ba? Mixed number. Di ba ang number on top is the big number?
Oh.
Nakalimutan? Yan. Oh, don't forget ha. A number on top, it is the big number always.
It's getting hotter now.
Sige, turn on the electric fan lang. Sige. Okay, we will have a last pa. Isa pa. Okay. Ay, super pa. Yung one lang. That is the one?
Yes, I clicked 1.
Sige daw, one again. Sige, click again. Click again lang, one.
Let's just turn on the aircon.
Sige, be?
I'm scared.
Hindi. Sige na, kasi na. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa
I
pa.
think the electric fan is broken and might explode.
Oo. Okay, this one ate. This is your last ate. Pinaka-last. Sige daw. 789 times 6.
That's big.
So, if you were given this one ate, you have to rewrite it. 7, 8, 9 times 6. Oh, go ate. Faster.
9. 54.
Next.
6 times 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 64, 72, 80, 8, 16, 24, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 48, plus 5. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53.
Bakit siya ng 5? 53, di ba?
Oh. Ay.
Next.
Wait. 6 times 7, 42, and plus 5. Let's get it colder again. My arms are just cold, but my face...
Sige, go na. Sige na. 6 times 7.
42. Plus 5, 42. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. What if I count fast? 43.
That's the answer ha.
4,734.
So ate, we are finished with divisibility rules from 2 to 10. We are finished na ha. Opo.
Yeah, we finished
So,
all of the
for this one
numbers.
ate, no pa. For this one, for our next meeting, it's all about multiplication or multiplying bigger number ha.
Okay.
Okay. So, did you understand something for today? What did you learn? New?
I learned about fraction.
Hindi, 7 and 8, di
7
ba?
and 8.
Di ba we discussed ate the divisibility of 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
There is a technique for 7 and 8, but we are not going to apply it ate because it will make you, confused.
Confused?
Oh, that is why ate, if we are going to find out if it is divisible by 7 and 8, we are going to do it or we are going to calculate it manually.
Calculate.
8 manually. Okay ate? Okay? Sige ate. So, that's all for today ate. Okay.
Are we done?
Yes, we're done.
Okay, I'll check the